Hey guys, what's up? And today I will be unboxing a RADO which I bought last month or 12 days or leave it. So here we go. Oh man, quite a heavy box. Oh, RADO Switzerland. This is the heavy box. Let's zoom it. Yeah. Whoa, another box. Okay, I think in this there should be one. So let's do this first. This is the warranty card. RADO actually gives a 2-year manufacturing warranty. It only covers machine warranty, not on physical damage. Okay, so next thing is a manual in different languages. No one reads it. Yeah. Whoa, this is the most important thing, I must say. This is a cleaning cloth. Let's open it. Whoa. Yeah man, good cloth. It will be useful for me. Yeah, let's go. Yeah. So here is the watch. RADO. Whoa, slow opening. Never mind. Okay. So, wow, fluffy cushion. So guys, here is the watch. There's a pendulum right there. It is the automatic watch. It does not require any cell or something. So RADO CENTRIC, Swiss made. So guys, this is it, and if you like this video then please subscribe to my channel and like my video and share it, comment it.